Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to adjust Honda Accord headlights. Proper headlight adjustment is crucial for safe driving, ensuring you have clear visibility without blinding oncoming traffic. We'll cover everything you need to know, from gathering your tools to making the final checks. You'll need just a few basic items: a Phillips head screwdriver, a measuring tape, and a flat, level surface with a wall. Before you begin, park your Honda Accord on a perfectly level surface, exactly 25 feet away from a flat wall. Make sure your tire pressure is set to the manufacturer's recommendation, and your fuel tank is at least half full. Now, mark the wall with tape to indicate the center of your vehicle and the exact height of your low beam headlights. Now, let's focus on vertical adjustment. Open your hood and locate the vertical adjustment screw, typically found on the top of the headlight assembly. Using your Phillips head screwdriver, turn the screw clockwise to raise the beam or counterclockwise to lower it. For optimal visibility and safety, aim the top edge of your low beam cutoff line to be 2 inches below the marked headlight height on the wall. Finally, we'll address horizontal adjustment and perform a final check. Locate the horizontal adjustment screw, which is usually close to the vertical one. Turn this screw to move the beam left or right, aiming for the brightest part of the beam to be directly in front of each headlight. Once both headlights are adjusted, take your Accord for a short drive to ensure they provide clear, even illumination without dazzling other drivers. You've done it.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.